In this lesson presentation, we'll focus on the author's purpose, specifically looking at the purpose to persuade. Let's review again. Why do authors write? Well, an author's purpose is the intent of the author to entertain or narrate, to inform, instruct, or to describe. And for this lesson, we'll focus on the author's purpose of persuasion. To persuade. To persuade means to try to convince you to believe the way the author does or to do something that the author wants you to do. When an author is trying to be persuasive, he or she will use ideas, information, and emotions to influence you. Persuasive reading materials sometimes provide only one side to an argument. Here are some examples. Advertisements, newspaper editorials, junk mail, and even posters, like movie posters, for example. An author will also use particular techniques when they're trying to persuade. The first technique is called ethos, which is an appeal based on the credibility of the speaker. For example, someone may give a testimonial and describe how they used a product. And if that person is a doctor or even someone famous, that appeal tends to have more credibility. Next is pathos, as this is an appeal based on emotion. Now, an emotional appeal might be fear, love, belonging. Any of these things could be used to help persuade you. Finally, logos. Now, this is an appeal based on logic. And this type of logic can be any number of things, from statistics to other evidence like studies that were done, or even just clear reasons. All of these techniques will be used by an author in their attempt to persuade.